Can you have a universe without a creator?
I guess no.
Okay, so if you guys know, then you believe in God. I mean, like we've reached the point, right? Because the thing is, look, me and you, we cannot create a universe because we know nothing can come from nothing. We know the universe has a starting point. You cannot have energy and matter coming into existence out of nothing. And even if they were there, you cannot answer what causes them to expand, right? Why they expanded the exact way they did? Because if they didn't, we wouldn't have the universe that we have. The speed of the expansion, the existence of the atoms, how many millions of years after the universe exactly, everything is precisely measured. So by necessity, there must be a creator of the universe that is all powerful and all knowing, and that's what people call God.
No, I mean, like I understand what you're saying. Like it makes a lot of sense.
Mm-hmm.
But like at the same times, like for all of my life, I believe in the Big Bang theory.
Do you know what the Big Bang is?
Like an explosion of matters that create the universe or something like that.
Yeah, it's not an explosion. Actually, it's an expansion. But okay, I was speaking about the Big Bang when I was talking to you. So who said to you not to accept this idea? I said even if you accept this idea, you have to believe in a creator. We're not saying ignore the idea of the Big Bang and believe in God. I'm asking you, okay, let me simplify it for you. Okay, here's the Big Bang, right? There's energy and matter. Let me explain to you what the Big Bang is. There's energy and matter compressed into a singularity, which expands very quickly into the universe that we're in. Expands very quickly, very precisely. Then it allows, after millions of years, to first the beginning of atoms to start forming. And then it allows the galaxies and stars that we have. And then it allows the orbits that we have. Then it allows the electromagnetic waves. Then we start having gravity forming in the way that we see it today. And then all of a sudden you have planet Earth. And then you have planet Earth in this specific celestial galaxy where you have have a specific distance from the sun and the moon that allows life to exist on it, because if the sun was closer, it will burn. If it was further away, it will freeze. If the moon was closer, it will have these like massive, or further away, have these massive waves and tsunamis, and the entire thing will be water. Okay, so now you're telling me all of this now happened. Okay, so now explain to me where the energy and matter come from, because now we're talking about the Big Bang, right? Where does the energy and matter come from? What compresses and expands the Big Bang, and what caused it to expand in the precise way that I was just describing?
I can tell you.
Yeah, so you cannot tell me that this idea of the Big Bang, right, happens like millions of years, or whatever term you want to use, whatever amount of time you want to say, 30 million years, or whatever number you want to give, right? You cannot have order coming from that. First, you cannot have order coming from a long time or from chaos. Secondly, you cannot have order come from explosions. And you cannot have things causing itself. You cannot have energy and matter coming into existence out of nothing. So if you accept the Big Bang, the first thing you need to believe in is the existence of God, because you cannot have this idea without God anyways.